How to enable voice typing on Android. Now, if you want to type but then you are too lazy to type with your fingers, let's say for some kind of reason, right? So for any reason that you might just want to go ahead and then enable voice typing. Now this depends upon which phone you're using and which keyboard app does it have. In the case of Samsung devices, it comes with the default Samsung keyboard, and on Samsung keyboard, to enable voice messaging or voice typing, you can see this voice icon from the bottom left of the keyboard. So tap on that microphone icon, and when I tap on it, I can just type in whatever else, and you can see it will show up right at the top. So this is the way that I can just enable voice typing. If you're using Google Messages app, instead of here, you'll find the mic icon over here. So if you're using Gboard or Google Keyboard, you'll find the mic icon right here, from where you'll be able to basically locate the mic icon and just search with your voice. This way you'll be able to basically enable voice typing on Android. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.